Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Arabic Grammar the Easy Way. In the previous one lesson, we have completed the learning about the nominal sentence, Jumlatul Ismiya, and we have done great details of rules telling for the nominal sentence and also did a lot of examples. In this session, we are going to summarize all those rules and make it a condensed lesson for you. Inshallah, what you see in the next few slides is what we are going to cover. A Jumla Ismiya in a nutshell is a sentence that starts with a noun, has a subject, mubtada, and a predicate, khabar. Both the subject and the predicates are always nominative, which is marfu, and the subject is mostly definite, marifa, and the predicate is mostly infinite, nakira. And inshallah, you can see some examples on the screen. Without any further ado, let's start the lesson. Please provide your feedback in the comments and let us know what else would you like to see. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa
A
barakatuh.
quick review of my YouTube channel so that if you are new to my channel, you can find your way. So as you can see, I have divided my channel into easy to follow playlists. So if you are a beginner and you want to start you from the very beginning, so this is the step 1 for you, and you can follow the lessons from lesson 1, lesson 2, and inshallah you will find it very easy. So let's not waste any more time and let's dive into the lesson. Jazakallah khair. ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله تعالى إن هدى الله هو الهدى وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله الكريم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اللهم ارحمني بالقرآن العظيم واجعله لي إماما ونورا وهدى ورحمة واجعله لي حجة يا رب العالمين ربي يسر ولا تؤثر وتمم بالخير آمين ثم آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What we have learned, brothers and sisters, we learned the following, that we are looking for a Jumla Ismiya, and the Jumla Ismiya has two parts, Mubtada and Khabar. And the combination of the four properties, the type, the status, the number, and gender, we're looking for Marifa, Nakira combination. And Rafa combination, the gender and number follows, so we're not too concerned about that. But the Marifa and Nakira combination has to be there to make it a complete sentence. Okay, so if you look at this slide one more time, this will make more sense now. For incomplete sentence, when we apply the rules of the waladun muslimun or Muslim boy, you're looking at the type is going to be nakira. And now, by now, hopefully everybody should be so up to date that they have no problem why nakira, waladun is nakira, right? It's a common noun. Hala, both of them are rafa, because they are both singular. And we are looking at the last haraka, the tun, right? Waladun muslimun, because every word in Arabic by default is in the rafa status, correct? Then jins, male, number is wahid. Yes?
They follow each other.
Okay. Is this slide making more sense now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now look at the one we are after, the complete sentence. We say mubtada khabar, and the sentence we are after is the boy is Muslim, and we say Muslimun al waladu. Why? Because the wusat is nakira, marifa. Hala is rafa. What is the jins? Jins is gender, muzakkar, and wahid.
They follow each other.
If you can all just take away this much from this lecture, and this is the basic structure of a nominal sentence. This is the default structure of the nominal sentence. Are there going to be variations in the advanced courses? Yes. Are there going to be more information in the advanced courses? Yes. But the very bare minimum, if you know this much, you will be able to make a lot of sentences, inshallah. So what we did after that, we said, these are the rules of Jumla Ismiya. Yeah. And then I said, okay, if I'm looking for Mubtada, yes, because a nominal sentence needs a mubtada, and my first category says that mubtada is supposed to be marifa, then why don't I just look at the marifa properties I know? I know alam, I know the demonstrative pronoun, I know personal pronoun, relative pronoun, I know mu'arraf bil lam. So in this lecture, I focused on the third category, which was the personal pronouns. In the personal pronouns, I looked at the knowledge. I said, okay, there are attached and detached. What is the second attributes I'm looking in the mubtada? That my mubtada has to be marifa and rafa. What is the two qualities I need in a mubtada? It has to be marifa, it has to be rafa. So is the attached pronoun follow that pattern? No.
No.
Because attached pronoun is marifa, no doubt, but it is not rafa, it is nasab and jar. So I said attached pronouns out of the picture because they cannot be mubtada for me. Yes?
Brother Abid, can I have?
Yes. Yeah.
Do we say Marif bil Alif or Marif bil Lam?
This is the typo, Marra bil lam. So I've been saying Marra bil lam, but it's written over here, Marra bil alif. So it is al. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So is that clear now? Marra bil lam. Yeah. Okay. So are we clear about the detached pronouns and why I picked the detached pronouns? The detached pronouns are, these are all good candidates for mubtada. And then I said, we need to know our detached pronouns. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna.
هي هما هن
Anta,
أنت
antuma.
أنتما أنتن أنتم أنتم
Yes.
أنتم.
Anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. And they are the detached pronouns of rafa status. So they fit in the category of my mubtada. Now you start to put the two and two together. So in the next lecture, inshallah, we will start to look at the Isme Ishara examples. Then we will look at Isme Mawsul example. And then we'll look at some Mu'arraf bil Lam examples. That will going to inshallah make us stronger and stronger in making nominal sentences. And I think by now you should be feeling very knowledgeable about nominal sentence. Am I correct in my understanding, or you still are confused?
This is a good foundation.
Alhamdulillah.
This is a very good foundation. And like you said, that it is
Yes.
advanced too as we go into the Quran, but this is a good foundation.
Alhamdulillah. Does everybody feel the same way, guys?
Yes.
Just a quick, okay. All right. So with that, the key or the solution or the answer to our confusion or getting better at it is the study, review, practice. The more we do this and the more we apply this in the Quran and the more we look inside the Quran, inshallah, we'll start to make it even better and better, right? So with that,
Inshallah.
in the last 15 minutes, let's read some Quran and then inshallah benefit from it.